Some characters' meanings have been tuned down in simplified Chinese. Written Chinese is a pictographic language, which means the characters look like the object's shape. Here are some examples: 山 mountain, 日 sun, and 木 tree. Reducing certain characters requires returning to the original character to perceive its meaning. Take I for an example. I means to love, and the radical is the heart, 心 in the center. In simplified Chinese, I transform into I, taking away the heart, 心. Traditional Chinese characters provide a fascinating glimpse into Chinese culture and history. For example, 贝 was used as currency in ancient times. Do you like to bargain and get good deals? To bargain is to 杀价. 杀 is to kill, and 价 implies price. Trading is 买 卖, buy and sell. Expensive is 贵. 贝 appears in 价买 卖 and 贵 because they relate to money. Chinese calligraphy is considered one of the most impressive art forms in Chinese culture. If you want to read the ancient artworks, they were all in traditional Chinese and enhanced the beauty of the characters. For more information about Chinese, I suggest you learn Chinese radicals first. Here's a video to watch next. See you soon. Bye bye.